Hey everyone, and welcome to Flothemes. We're super excited to have you here. We're really happy that you purchased the Flothemes, and in the following video I'm going to give you an overview of the Crowd2 theme so you can get a better idea as to what is inside this theme and how you can best use it for your business. So whenever you activate the Crowd theme and you log into WordPress, you'll see the standard WordPress dashboard as always, no problems there. And some of the additional things that you'll get with a flow theme will be the slideshows. So again, these slideshows on the front end of your site, and they can be used anywhere throughout the site. You'll also get these galleries. So if you want to display galleries, you'll be able to display galleries. And this is a great way to display your portfolios. So again, you'll have the different gallery types. You will then also have a page builder, so that'll be different than what you're probably used to. We have our own page builder, and I'll go into more details with that as well. As default, you'll still have blog posts, but we also have some custom layouts for those. You'll have your media library for all of the content that has been added. And of course, as always, you can add plugins to extend the functionality of your site, as you can do with any WordPress theme. Now, whenever you enable the site or the theme, you'll also have the Flothemes area. In here, you will have a load of different settings that are at a global level for the site. And these will include some features such as the header, adding your logo. So the header will be the menu, etc. up here at the top, and how that looks. You will have your footer options. You'll have some sidebars. You'll have typography to change the style of your site. So you can change all the fonts. You'll have some global settings for your pages, posts, and galleries. Now just know that we do cover this in more detail at our documentation site, docs.flothemes.com. We recommend going there to check that out further. Also, just a quick note, whenever you are navigating, so if you choose any area, you'll then have these additional options on the left, and in quite a few areas we'll have an overview video that actually explains how to use that section. And again, if you can't find something, it's most likely covered in the documentation also. So we do highly recommend checking that out as well. Now let's go over to the page builder to explain how that works, as that's going to be one of the most important features for you, and it's going to really explain how you can get started with building pages pretty quickly. So if we go into a page and we add the title, for example, so we can add our title. If you're using WordPress 5.0 or higher, this will look slightly differently. You'll still have a title option, you'll still have a text area option. The main area though will be this layout section below, and this is really awesome. You can start building your pages again. You have the how-to area here that explains how to use the page builder in more detail, so highly recommend watching that. We also have templates, so the templates will be from the different pages you can see on the demo. Now, not all of the demo pages are available, as there are a large number, but the most popular pages will be there. You can simply quick view any of these, and if you like that template, and they're labeled as well as per the demo, you can see all the blocks that we've added to the page. You would simply apply this, and then that would apply all of the blocks to this layout section. So the layout section is going to be the most important area whenever you are inside the layout and building your pages. So to add a block, really simple. You can go to the add block section and choose any block that you want, and it will always be added just above the footer placeholder. To edit blocks, you simply hit the pencil icon. We then have a description area here, and it explains how you can update all items ABC. And then you just go through the different areas, add your images, text, any links. You can also update colors as well. Each of the blocks will also have a margin top and bottom, allowing you to increase and decrease the spacing. And for developers, there's a little option for adding some custom JavaScript as well. You can also hide these on desktop and mobile if you wanted to create slightly different experiences. So a lot of functionality and options there as well. Removing blocks or moving blocks is also really simple. You can just simply drag and drop blocks into position, and to remove a block, you just hit the bin icon. Again, we cover this in more detail in the video explaining how to use the block builder and how to build pages. This gives you a good insight as to what's available with you inside of the themes. let's take a quick look at some of the blocks that are available. So inside of here, there are different WordPress blocks, titles, contact forms, buttons. You're going to have featured links. So those will be if you want to add images and links to different areas. It could be your favorite post, featured slideshow. Again, that could also be used for investments or links to your favorite items. Footer placeholder, and that will be the footer on your site. And that can be added globally or have a custom option. Image and link blocks. You'll have several of those. So again, images, and some of them will have text over them. Link lists. This is where you can add several links, again, to external resources, publications. You'll also have some options for that have images. Again, you can look at the preview over here on the right hand side. You'll have link grids. Again, these could be with images and text. Links and columns. Listings, this is a unique block. It allows you to add blog posts and galleries to be displayed here, and that'll be how you build your blog page or your gallery listing page where you display multiple galleries. You'll have pagination, that lets you go between the two different blocks. So if you have 12 blog posts, 6 per page, you can flick through the different pages with this. You'll have some category options, share blocks, slideshows, special listings, so this is a featured one for blog posts or galleries, press blocks, testimonials, and a whole array of text blocks and a developer's block. So as you can see, a lot of options in there. It's going to give you a lot of flexibility to build your theme. So all I ask you to do is go ahead, get started, start playing with the theme, test it out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Otherwise, good luck getting set up with your new site. And again, thank you for joining Flothemes.